everybody! I'm Nanny Julie, nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw a cute monkey, a rainbow monkey. Now let's start drawing and don't forget to subscribe my channel Nanny Julie and like this video. We can see the head, the ears, the body, the arms, the legs, the tail, the ball and the crown. Now let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the head. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here, right in the middle. Draw an oval. Come around, come back, up to the top and connect it. Then let's draw the ears. Big C shape on the left side and backward C shape on the right side. Oh, you're doing great! Then let's draw two curves inside the ears. The first and the second. Repeat after me. Then let's draw the same thing on the right side. The first curve and the second. Then let's draw a face. Draw it two curves in the middle. The first and the second. Repeat after me. Then draw two small curves on the left side and on the right side that connects with the head. The first and the second. I like your line, keep it up, you're doing great. Then let's draw the eyes. Upside down U shape on the left side and on the right side. Then small curve between for nose and U shape for smile under the nose. Our monkey has roses in its cheeks. Draw a circle on the left side and on the right side. Then let's draw some hair. Draw 3 curves under the head. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3. Now let's draw the body. I start over here, draw a line that goes down and left, then curve right, curve up and connect with the head. And let's draw an oval inside this shape, inside the body. Oval. Now let's draw the arms. Draw 2 curves on the right side, then small curve to the up and another small curve to the right. That's the way! I like your lines! Then let's draw another arm on the left side. The first curve, the second, and 2 small curves at the end. 1, 2. Repeat after me. Now let's draw the legs. I draw 2 vertical lines on the left side and connect them with the curve. On the right side, I will draw 2 arcs. Let's count. 1, 2, and an oval at the end. And under the leg, I will draw a ball. Draw a circle and 6 curves inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's draw the tail. I draw a G shape on the left side and this line is connected. Then I draw another G shape under this line and two curves over here, the first and the second, and let's connect them. Now let's add a crown. Draw a diagonal line overhead, then two another diagonal lines on the left side and on the right side, then upside down V shape in the middle and connect it to the lines on both sides. Our monkey is almost ready. Keep it up, you're doing great. You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram, Facebook or Boosty. Tag me in photo Nanny Julie art. Now let's coloring together. You can choose any color you like. I choose beige for face and you try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. If you missed a spot, fill it in with color. Then I color the belly, tracing again, and coloring inside. Then I choose dark brown for head, arms, legs and body. Oh, you're doing great! Keep it up! Then I choose pink for blush, yellow for crown. Try to stay inside the lines. You can choose any color you like. And rainbow colors for bow. The first color is red. Then I choose orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Wow, I like your monkey's drawing. You're doing great. I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Check my social networks for cute coloring page and private drawing lessons for kids. All links in the description under the video. See you, bye bye!